Hi there, welcome to practice 1.10. So let's just quickly run through the 4 different search queries. And basically what I'm trying to show here is how when you vary your search connectors, it changes how many results you get, and it also changes the precision. And so we go from the quotation mark all the way to the root expander and the ampersand, and you'll see how you get more and more stuff as you go along. So if we put in here the first one, control vehicle intoxicated, we set our jurisdiction to Florida, so that already will get rid of a lot of information fog. And then here you can see over here on the left, they both Westlaw and Lexis do a nice job of categorizing your search results. If we go down here to show more, it gives us the total. All results here is 0. Okay, so that gave us 0. Now the next search is control within the same sentence as vehicle within the same sentence as intoxicated. So all 3 words in one sentence. So we're going to get a little more now because we're not looking for control vehicle intoxicated in that order next to each other. We're looking at the sentence level. And if we click on show more, that's 663 results, so quite a bit more. Now the third search query is, let's say we're not getting enough. Now we would do /p, and now that's the 3 words within the same paragraph. And I'm going to click on show more. And that yields 1,471. And then you can imagine what's going to happen here if we're doing a search of control and vehicle and intoxicated anywhere in the same document. So anywhere in the whole opinion or the chapter of a treatise or a section of an encyclopedia, anywhere. And then on top of that, we do a root expander. So you don't just get intoxicated, you get intoxicate in every permutation of the word intox as the root. Okay, and the same with control. Controlling, controlled, things like that. So if we do that, we get over 12,857. So that's a little bit nuts. So now you can see if we graphically represent this, how using quotation marks is the most precise, but you also don't get very much. And then you can go out from there. My favorite one is /s because that's kind of in the sweet spot of not too much information, but not too little as well. Okay, and so let's just spend a quick minute here answering this. So in going through some of these cases that came up with these different search queries, and I threw in the word passenger and passenger seat because I wanted to find something a little more on point. I found this case here, which is Hughes v. State, and it talks about how if an individual is found in a parked car under circumstances where the car, without too much difficulty, might again be started and become a source of danger to the driver, to others, then that person is in physical control of the vehicle. And so here with the engine running and it's in neutral and he's just over in the passenger seat, he could easily do something that would make that car a danger to others, which seems to be the concern here, a source of danger to the driver. So because of that, he was probably, he did have actual physical control and he would be, he did violate the statute. In the end, this is a question for the jury to decide, but it looks like given all the case law that he really is guilty. So anyway, there's the actual answer. All right, see you back in the workbook.